Welcome guys, and in this video I want to show you how you can assemble parts in Onshape CAD. So what you'll need to do is go to assembly 1 and you'll see something like that. After that, what you'll need to click is insert and you can select from your parts to import it. So basically you can select your current document or other documents, and I'll select other documents. And now basically I'll select owned by me and select few parts. So let's say I want to just assemble these two parts. So what I will use is these two parts. And now, as you can see, I have these two parts imported into my assembly. And basically now to assemble, what I will use is slider mate. So click your slider mate and basically select the point on your first part. So I will select this point, and right here I will select the other point, as you can see, like this. And now I will move that a little bit up. So what I'm going to do is basically I will show you how you can move that a little bit up. So basically right here I will delete another slider, and to move this part up I will use the planner mate. And now I will click offset, and let's say I will type 0.5, and you should see that my Z should go up a little bit. So I didn't make a wrong point on my part, but you get an idea. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.